Hello, I'm vlogging. Like what?
Holly Productions.
So it's 10:30 and I'm usually waking up about now, but I'm awake. I woke up like this. I'm having quite an eventful day today. I'm going to the hairdresser in, well, we have to leave about now. I haven't even had breakfast. And then I'm going to a Christmas barbecue thing. Just getting my hair all did.
So as you can see, I've got my hair done. Oh, it just feels so much better. And we're heading to my uncle's place so we can start setting up for the barbecue thing.
Hello. Hello. Just starting with the lettuce. There's strawberries, some tomatoes, peaches, pineapple, got some bonbons. And then in here, this is the good stuff. Got all the chips and chocolate and lollies and stuff. These are such good prizes from the bonbons. Like there's a board game and everything. I got back out again. Really? Oh, really? Is that what you have to say? I just let her out. She hissed at me. That's the thanks I get.
And I don't wanna hear.
No. Hi.
Holly.
Hello. Oh, it's getting cold. Oh, I don't know what that was. You can hardly see me. I don't know how. See? Oh my god. I've disappeared into the night. Now you can see me. Oh, she was kick.
I don't know, he's got a good black.
Hey kitty. Hello. Don't look at the light. You'll get blinded. It is early hours of the morning. That was my day and I hope you enjoyed my vlog and I hope you had a really good day too. I'm tired. I'm going to bed. Thank you and good night.